Travis, my son. Travis. Travis. Travis.
Who's there? Callie? Callie? Carl, where is everyone?
Travis, help me.
Callie? Percy, Marcus? Percy.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Are you all right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine.
Like he managed to drag himself out of bed. Coffee?
Thanks.
You look terrible.
Thanks.
You okay?
Yeah. Where are Callie and Percy?
Prepping the shuttle.
And Rodolfo?
I don't know.
Carl, where's Rodolfo?
He's on his way back from his quarters. Is there anything you need?
No, it's fine.
Cara, we better give Travis a shout if, Never mind. You look terrible.
Yeah, so I've been told.
What? What?
Nothing, I was just,
Okay.
Sorry. So, shuttle ready?
Of course.
Right. Carl, what's our ETA?
We are scheduled to dock at Mars Correctional in just under 1 hour. 57 minutes.
Thank you, Carl. So what, I'll see you down there in 45?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Afternoon. Oh, do you look terrible?
Yeah, so I've been told.
Prisoner transfer Ritson 853, cleared pad 7. Shuttle launch in 15 minutes.
Any problems?
No.
You ready?
Yep.
All right.
So Ritson served for 3 years as commander with Jupiter-fed elite forces, then moved on to Wopredge Squad. What's Wopredge?
Without prejudice. Shoot first, don't ask questions later. It's your kind of people, isn't it?
You want chicken flavor or chicken flavor?
Surprise me.
Anyway, he deserted 18 months ago, picked up last week on Europa. Why do you think a guy like that suddenly deserts?
Lousy benefits.
Maybe they canceled his dental plan.
That's why you left Mars Special Ops, isn't it, gorgeous?
How'd you like me to work on your dental plan, sweetheart?
Guys, come look at this.
What are we looking at?
Just hang on a second. There. Car, are you reading anything? Because I've got gibberish here.
There was something there. A wave I cannot identify. Very fragmented.
And now?
Nothing at all.
Well, where was it coming from?
Difficult to say. Scanners show that the wave emanated from directly ahead, and then it seemed to burst and vanish.
Any ships in the area?
No. In fact, the nearest thing of substance is an asteroid Ida and its moon Dactyl.
Could it have come from there?
Unlikely. There has never been any form of settlement on Ida or on its moon.
Carter, you get that? This is the Trans-Utopian. Please state your position. Car, where's it coming from?
Where is what coming from?
The distress signal. Come on, Car, where's it coming from?
I'm sorry, I'm not picking anything up at all.
What signal, Travis?
There's nothing there.
You telling me I'm the only one who heard that? Well? Come on, this is a joke, right?
No one's laughing.
I heard a distress signal.
I think I'm gonna go check the scanner terminals.
Okay, all right. We all saw the flashing, so we have to check it out. Car,
Nothing of any use. It was there, and then it wasn't.
did you scan it?
All scans were negative. It may have been reflected light from Ida or its moon. There's nothing else out there.
Travis?
Well, we have to respond.
To what?
Car, anything yet?
Nothing yet.
Mayday! Mayday! Request immediate assistance. I repeat, immediate assistance.
What the hell was that?
I'm attempting to analyze.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Ida, orbital Galentis requesting immediate assistance. I repeat, this is Galentis requesting immediate assistance.
This is Travis Montana of the Trans-Utopian. We hear you, Galentis.
Trans-Utopian, we've had some kind of explosion. There must be casualties. But I can't get through to anyone.
How many of you aboard?
20 crew, plus miners, 18 miners. The station seems to be breaking up.
Car, can we get him back?
We've lost contact with the Galentis. In fact, none of our external comms is working.
Is there any other damage, Car?
Scanners are fluctuating. The ship's internal monitoring system is down.
Car, can we re-establish contact?
Not at the moment. I will keep trying.
Travis, I can't get us any closer.
I'm gonna take the shuttle.
I'll come with you.
You sure about this?
Any better ideas?
We're gonna try to get out between the waves. You got any timings on them?
Between 20 and 40 seconds.
Like Rodolfo said, you sure about this?
Yeah, I'm sure.
There's our cue. We're on our way, Car.
Acknowledged.
Tulip to shuttle. Tulip to shuttle.
Tulip to shuttle. Travis!
Tulip.
Rodolfo, come in.
Travis.
Tulip to shuttle.
Rodolfo, come in. Come in.
Travis.
We've lost contact with them.
Oh, fantastic.
Car, do we know what's messing about with our comms?
We are experiencing a kind of gravitational turbulence.
A what?
There appears to be huge fluctuations in the gravitational force.
Yeah? And what's causing that?
I've no idea. I've never come across anything like it.
This is stupid. This is too bloody dangerous.
We're losing altitude control.
I hadn't noticed.
Pull out. Pull out.
Car, can we get through yet?
Regrettably, no.
Percy, we're having trouble with our comms up here. How's it looking down there? Percy! Percy! Don't tell me we lost everything now, Car.
She should be able to hear you.
So what's she playing at?
I can't see her. As I said, our internal monitoring system is down. I will run a check.
Bloody useless as usual.
Hang on.
It's close.
Hadn't noticed.
Okay, talk to me, Car.
I can't find any damage to our external comm system.
You heard from Percy yet?
Nothing at all.
Marcus, go down and find out what that bloody woman's up to, will you? Oh, and stick a leash on her.
Sounds like you guys got some problems.
Not as big as yours.
You really think you're gonna make this handover?
What handover?
It's very funny.
What are you in here for?
What you come here for, beautiful?
Hello? Hello?
Parker? Captain Parker? Captain Parker?
Are you all right?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Percy! Rodolfo?
Yeah, what?
She's not here.
You wanna come in and play? Is that it?
Maybe.
What the hell you doing, girl?
I'm asking you questions. Answer them.
Okay.
Where are they taking you?
Clark Station, Jupiter Fed.
Why Jupiter?
Exchange for another soldier.
So you're military?
Used to be. Jupiter Fed elite.
Good. Do you know how to run this ship?
It's an old boat. It's a piece of cake.
Percy!
I'll be back.
Percy!
Michael, come in. Michael. It's not working. I can't get through. I can't get through. Michael.
Captain Parker?
They're not answering. Michael, come in. Come in. Come in, please. Michael, come in.
Captain Parker. I'm Travis Montana. This is County Like Hades.
Thank God you made it.
Listen, we better get you out of here.
Yes, of course. We've got to get them out.
There are people down there?
No. They're on the mines or in the village. We'll have to pick them up in the transporters.
We're running out of time. Where are the mines?
Where is it?
Percy? Percy!
How we doing, Marcus?
Well, she's not here.
Then fix the damn comms yourself.
All right.
Michael? Where's my crew? Where is everyone?
There's no one here.
It's not possible, it can't be.
Look, I think we have to get you out of here.
I can't leave them!
Well, we can't leave you.
Come on. Come on.
Rodolfo, you should be online.
We're still not getting anything, in or out.
That's crazy. I've checked all the systems and I'm getting the same reading internal and long range. There's no problems. Car?
It would appear that the problem is outside the Tulip.
Hang on. Oh, that's not good. Marcus, I need that fix now. Marcus, to the bridge.
Will you make up your mind?
Just get up here now.
Rodolfo?
Rodolfo, come in.
What the hell's going on? Well, where have you been? What have you been doing?
I was busy.
You okay?
I think it was that wave.
Rodolfo, I found Percy. She's okay.
I'd like a word with her at our earliest convenience.
I'm gonna get back to the bridge.
Hey. Thanks.
You sure you're okay?
Great.
Well, there must be something we can do.
Captain Parker, you must be tired. You could use some...
No! I have to stay here. I can't just do nothing. Sorry.
Don't be. Let me escort you to your quarters.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
So where's the rest of them?
There was nobody else.
What, he's the only survivor? No wonder he's in such a state.
No. There is no rest of them. There was nothing. Not even a mine.
There's no Galantis in any of the commercial registers.
Galantis? The Galantis?
Yeah, the mining platform. And nothing registered with Mars or Jupiter Fed?
Nope.
How's Captain Parker?
I gave him a little something to sleep. He was really a mess.
Yeah. Well, let me know when he wakes up, will you?
What do you want to do with him?
Find out where we can and see where he wants to go. You okay? Percy?
Yes.
Good. Carl, what's our ETA?
Just under 8 hours.
Still on schedule to make the handover?
Just.
All right. Hey, has that prisoner been fed yet?
Oh, was that a request?
Just asking.
We don't want him complaining about our hospitality.
I'll do it.
Percy, the galley's that way.
Oh. I must have hit my head harder than I thought.
Good work.
How would I do it?
It's not how you do it, it's how we do it.
Right.
It's just no problem transferring control of the ship to engineering, but you gotta do it fast enough, otherwise a computer will red flag you. That's why you need me.
I get it. I need you.
You know, I heard about some pretty crazy prison breaks, but what you pulled on the Galantis, it's damn brilliant.
I doubt it's been done before.
One thing, though. I don't like being threatened. Try anything.
I try anything and you'll kill me?
I've done it before, sweetheart.
So have I.
Thank you.
We'll be arriving at Jupiter soon. We're wondering what you'd like to do.
Go back.
I understand that, but,
Where's your home?
Mars, such as it is.
Is there anyone you'd like us to contact?
Who owns the mine on Ida?
Mars fed. Oh God, I gotta notify them. They've no idea what's happened.
Of course. Car, can you patch us through the Mars Fed?
Acknowledged.
Who do you want?
The mines division.
Car?
Patching through now.
Of course, they'll know what to do.
Mines Division, how can I help you?
Yeah, this is Captain Robert Parker. Put me through to Commander Edwards immediately.
Just one moment.
This is Major Stevens. You asked to speak with Commander Edwards?
Yes, this is Captain Parker.
I'm sorry, sir. There's no Commander Edwards here, nor any Captain Parker.
You crazy? Just put me through to Mars Correctional now.
Good day, sir.
I don't believe this. Oh, where's Michael?
Who's Michael?
He worked with me. He's my son.
Why did you ask for Mars Correctional?
They run the Galantis.
But they're the prison station.
The miners are the prisoners. Murderers, rapists, serial killers, psychotics, the worst. I've lost my son.
Caravaggio, any time this year would be good.
Of course, but in my defense, the transmission has been very well encrypted.
It would be.
Ah, here we go.
All right, Derek.
I shouldn't be doing this.
You're not.
No one said anything about an audience.
Relax, they're invited. Now listen, you owe me. So put on your happy face and tell me what you got.
Nothing. I got nothing from the Mars or Jupiter Fed. No one's ever heard of the Galantis. No one in commerce, no one in military, no one in special forces. There's never been anything on Ida, just a lumpy, useless rock.
What if it was a secret?
I'd know.
You sure?
That's why they pay me the extra. Now, if there's nothing else.
Sounds pretty definite.
Yep. So if there's no Galantis, what's Captain Parker doing on board our ship?
Travis,
Yeah,
can I come in?
sure.
We're currently on autopilot. Would you like me to release control?
No, that's fine. How long until we get to Jupiter Fed?
Just under 4 hours.
Thank you. Where would I find engineering?
So, do you believe Parker?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
I don't know. His pain just seemed real. Do you think he'll ever find him? His son?
I know he won't stop trying. Your crew disappears, you're alone. You gotta do something, but...
Yeah. In spite of the craziness here, I don't know what I'd do without you. The crew, I mean. You guys are all I've got.
Yeah, well... You guys are all I got. Why didn't I see it? Of course.
What?
Been feeling it.
What, Travis?
I should have known it. The crew hasn't disappeared. He has.
How do you mean I vanished?
I mean something happened on that platform that sent you to us.
What did you do, Uncle Lentus, Captain?
Processed thorium from the mines on Ida.
What's that?
It's a metal. It produces gravitational forces.
So that would account for the turbulence?
No. Because they're channeled within the core on Galentis. The core cannot be breached.
But you said you had 80 prisoners there.
Yeah. Sabotage, prison break, why not?
Oh, if the core were to be breached, it could open a doorway into a parallel universe.
Why, is there a way back?
I don't know.
Change of plan. Caravaggio?
Yes, madam.
This is Percy. I want to open this door. How would I go about doing that?
Voice recognition or by...
My voice? Open the door.
But the prisoner is extremely dangerous.
Open the door.
Very well.
Oh, beautiful.
I have to find my way back.
I know.
Or spend my life looking for it.
I know. Get some rest if you can.
Travis, I am concerned.
And why is that, Carr?
Percy insisted on using voice recognition to release the prisoner. She has left him unsupervised.
Percy? Come in, Percy.
Okay, it's done. Ship's ours. Don't tell me you don't want this.
We have to get rid of the crew. Right?
What the hell happened? Why did Percy release Ritson?
You're asking the wrong people, mate.
Maybe she finally flipped.
Is Ritson armed?
We don't know.
It's Percy?
It's gone missing.
Ship's controls have been transferred to engineering.
What? Override?
I cannot.
Okay, standard search pattern. I'll meet you there.
Captain Parker, can you help me, please?
Who's that?
I really need your help.
Are you a crew member? What do you want?
I have a problem.
Yes, it's little old me. My problem is that you know that.
So they were right about the sabotage.
They figured it out, did they? They still think I'm one of them. I want to keep it that way.
What does it matter? You're gonna kill them anyway.
True. I can't wait. Go ahead. Shoot me.
I might just do that.
But if I die, your Percy will have to stay where I was. I don't imagine she's enjoying doing hard time in a mine. It's a tough one.
Her face is tougher.
We're on our way to Galentis.
Ritson's locked up.
Yeah, we'll put her in the brig too. No, she's not Percy.
Who is she then?
She was on the Galentis. She's a mass murderer.
A very successful one, I might add.
She created the singularity and escaped into this universe.
Well, where's our Percy?
Mining. Never mind. We're gonna get it back.
Oh, don't try anything stupid, young lady. We're very successful bounty hunters.
I need your help. Cool.
If the collider's not too badly damaged, I should be able to reverse the ion field.
That sounds like a good thing.
It is. It should give you a window to escape the singularity.
Of course.
But too late or too soon, and you'll be hit by the same burst that you hope's going to bring Percy back.
And how long will the window last?
2-3 seconds, not long.
Then how will we know?
You'll know.
So? What are we waiting for?
We?
Yeah, you want us to beg?
You might not make it back.
You know what your problem is, Montana?
What?
We're all you've got.
You still have us, Rodolfo?
Loud and clear, for now.
Rodolfo, we're in.
Gotcha.
Right, fingers crossed.
The heavy ion collider.
It's beautiful. How's it holding up?
So far, so good. This is the easy bit. That's it, we're set. Call me as soon as you're back on the shuttle.
Well, it's goodbye, Captain.
Don't be too sure.
You're right. Good luck.
Rodolfo, we're on our way.
Standing by. Fancying a stiff drink.
Yeah, well, make mine a double or whatever's going.
Ditto.
Captain, we're leaving.
Copy that, shuttle. Here we go. Mr. Montana, anytime now.
What do you reckon, Carr?
I haven't a clue.
shuttle. Tulip to shuttle. Travis.
Going to afterburners.
Where the hell are we?
No idea. Hang on.
Rodolfo? Rodolfo. Here we go.
Percy.
Percy? Ooh. You okay?
I was in a mine with homicidal maniacs. What the hell?
We'll tell you later.
Guys. Where's Rodolfo?
Yes. Gotcha.
So does Percy know what she was like here? Who she was?
Nope.
Are you gonna tell her?
Nope.
I think that's wise. Do you think he made it?
I hope so.